Let's unlock quick Excel tricks that add intelligence and automation to your spreadsheets. Let's jump in. Trick 1. Automatically highlight the highest value in an Excel chart. My colleague wanted to highlight the month with the highest number of boxes. So here's what he did. He manually selected July, changed its color, and called it a day. It worked, until the data changed. When April's value increased, the chart's highest point moved, but the highlight stayed stuck on July. That's when we showed him this smarter, automatic way. First, select your entire chart series and apply a dull color. Then, right next to your data, add a new column called Highlight. In this new column, write a simple formula, equals, if formula. Select C11 cell, then, equals max. Selecting the full range. Make sure to press F4 after selecting the range. That locks it with an absolute reference, value if true, C11, value if false, 0. Now, drag the formula down. You'll see zeros everywhere except for the highest month. Next, copy that new column Ctrl+C, click on the chart, and paste Ctrl+V. Excel adds it as another series right beside the original bars. And under series overlap, set it to 100%. Now the colored bar sits perfectly on top of the base bar. The best part? When your data changes, say July now becomes the top month, the highlight automatically moves to April. No manual updates, no extra work. Just clean, dynamic visuals every time. Trick 2. Excel's new checkboxes for Workout Tracker. Excel finally got modern checkboxes, and they're awesome. To show you how they work, we've built a simple fitness tracker for 2 friends. These checkboxes are perfect for tracking who completed their workouts and avoiding the classic, "you skipped leg day" arguments. Here's workout list. Some routines are a little ambitious, like 5 a.m. cardio. But let's add checkboxes for each day. Just select your cells. Go to the Insert tab and choose Checkbox Now. Each cell becomes an interactive checkbox. No Developer tab needed. We've color-coded the legend already. Alex in red, Jamie in blue. Let's format their checkboxes to match. On the Home tab, change Alex's to red and Jamie's to blue. Then just copy and paste them across for the rest of the week. To tick a box, just click it. Want to check multiple boxes at once? Select the range and press spacebar. Need to uncheck them all? Same shortcut, quick and easy reset. Now here's where it gets powerful. Each checkbox actually stores a value. True if checked, false if unchecked, false if unchecked. We can use that logic in formulas. For example, with COUNTIF, we can count how many workouts were done each day, equals COUNTIF and range. True. Copy it across. Bold the results. Let's take it up a notch with conditional formatting. We'll sum the workouts for Alex and Jamie. Then apply data bars with solid fill. Edit the rule. In the Format Style settings, set Show Bar Only to maximum and change Automatic to Number. Set the maximum to 84, since that's the most workouts possible in a week. Make Alex's bar red and Jamie's blue. Duplicate the rule for both. Change cell range G4 in color. And just like that, you've got a fun little dashboard that shows their weekly fitness progress. Trick 3. Python inside Excel. Game changer for data analysis. Did you know Excel now has Python built right in? This update completely changes what's possible inside your workbook. You can now combine Excel's simplicity with Python's power for advanced analytics right inside your spreadsheet. Where to find it? You can find Python under the Formulas tab, in the Insert Python section, or you can simply type =py and hit Tab. That opens a Python cell where you can run real Python code directly in Excel. Create a data frame. Let's say we've got share prices for Apple, Microsoft, and Google. We'll select the entire range of data, then instead of pressing Enter, that commits it as a Python cell and creates what's called a data frame. Think of a data frame like a smart table that stores and organizes your data for analysis. Preview the data. If we click the little icon in the top left and choose Excel value, we can view my data as a regular table again. But for now, let's leave it collapsed as a Python object that keeps things clean. Quick summary with describe. Next, let's analyze this data. What's the highest and lowest share price for each company? Just type =py, open parenthesis, dataframe.describe close parenthesis, and hit Ctrl plus Enter. When you expand it to Excel value, you'll see stats like count, mean, min, max, and more, all automatically calculated for Apple, Microsoft, and Google. Find relationships with Core. Now, let's go one step further. Do these stocks move together? To check the correlation, we'll use =py of dataframe.core. And again, and hit Ctrl plus Enter. Once expanded, you'll see correlation values. 1.0 means perfectly correlated, like Apple versus Apple, while negative values show inverse relationships. For example, if Apple's price goes up, Microsoft and Google drops. And that's just scratching the surface. With Python in Excel, you can now run advanced analytics, create visualizations, and even build machine learning models without ever leaving your spreadsheet. Trick 4. Automatically clean and dynamic your data ranges. The TRIMRANGE function is a game changer when it comes to keeping your data tables clean and dynamic. Here's the scenario. We have a data table with order dates. We want to use the text function to extract the month of each order so we can summarize it in a pivot table. Traditionally, you'd have to drag the formula down every time new data is added, or risk having errors in blank rows if you pre-fill the formula. That's where TRIMRANGE comes in. How it works. Wrap your entire column inside the TRIMRANGE function instead of a single cell. For example, in your text formula, replace the cell reference with something like =text open parenthesis, TRIMRANGE open parenthesis. Select range, close parenthesis, close parenthesis. Now, if you add more rows to your table, the month is automatically calculated without any extra work. Why it works? TRIMRANGE scans your column and ignores blank rows. Only cells with data are included in the range. This keeps calculated columns clean, dynamic, and ready for pivot tables or other analyses. No more dragging formulas endlessly. TRIMRANGE does it all for you. Trick 5. Instantly add and expand data to a chart in Excel. It's one of those small Excel secrets that can save you a ton of time. Let me show you. Here, we've got a simple dataset with months 2024 and 2025 data. But let's imagine, initially, we only have 2024 available. So, we'll just select the month and 2024 columns and press Alt plus F1. That instantly creates a chart right on the same sheet. Our 2024 chart is ready. Now, after a few months, we receive 2025 data, and the manager says, "Hey, can you add the year 2 numbers into the same chart?" Most people would click on the chart, drag the range handle to include the new data, or maybe right-click, go to Select Data, and manually add the new series. That works, but it's slow and clunky. Here's the fastest way. Just select the new data, press Ctrl plus C to copy, then click on the chart and press Ctrl plus V, and that's it. Excel automatically adds the new data series to your chart. No extra clicks, no range adjustments. Now, we just need to fix one thing, the legend, because right now, we can't tell which color represents which year. So click the little plus icon beside the chart and check the legend box. And there you go. Both year 1 and year 2 clearly labeled. All done in seconds. Here's a problem many people face. You've built a chart, everything looks great, but next month, when you add new data, the chart doesn't update automatically. So how do we fix that? In October, my teammate added new data, and suddenly, we needed that new October value to appear on the chart too, but Excel didn't include it automatically. So I told him, first, select your entire dataset and press Ctrl plus T. That instantly converts your range into an Excel table. You'll notice a little filter icon appear. That's how you know it's working. Now watch what happens. When you type new data for October at the bottom, the chart automatically expands to include it. No dragging, no resizing. It just works. It's pure Excel magic. This is one of the most powerful habits in Excel. Once your data is in a table, every connected chart, pivot table, and formula automatically updates whenever you add new rows. So before you build your next dashboard, press Ctrl plus T and save yourself a ton of manual work. Such a simple, powerful trick. And it's going to save you so much time next time you're updating charts. Trick 6. Cool things pivot tables can do. We've got a trick for you that most Excel users still don't know. Here, we've got some sales data with multiple attributes, perfect for a pivot table. So let's go to the Insert tab and create one. Let's drag the field list a little closer so we can see what's going on. We want to see total sales by product, and also the percentage of sales by product, so we'll drag the sales field into the values area twice. Then, right-click the second one. Choose Show Values As, % of grand total. Now we've got each product's contribution to total sales, all in one view. Next, let's say we want to filter by country, segment, discount band, and manager. The modern way is to use slicers, so let's insert a few of those. But look how much space they take up. Let's delete them. We'll show you a cleaner way. Instead, let's add those fields to the filters area: manager, segment, country, and discount band. By default, they're stacked vertically, which can look messy. But here's the cool part. Right-click the pivot table, go to Pivot Table Options, Layout and Format tab change, Display Fields in Report Filter area, from down, then over to over, then down, or simply increase the number of fields per column to 2. Click OK, and boom! Your filters now sit neatly across the top, saving space and keeping your dashboard clean. That's the power of Excel evolution, old tricks that never get old. And that's how you can turn Excel into your smartest assistant, not just a spreadsheet tool. From auto-highlighting charts to Python analytics and dynamic data ranges, these 6 tricks show what's possible when you mix Excel with automation and intelligence. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.